Hello, assalamu alaikum friend, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can make the starting of your channel or of your video introduction or intro. So I have installed this animated in text animation maker. So I am going to open this. It's look nice when you added this thing. So you can write here. Suppose my channel name is How to Learn, so I can say welcome. So we are going to do this. We can take anything else. We can take any color. Welcome to How to Learn. Okay, and you can do it in this way. Welcome to How to Learn this way. So it's looking too nice. You can change the color as well. If you want to make an introduction, you can make in this way. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting any update. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.